Pictures of Hollis Woods is both a book and a movie. They are both pretty similar in the storyline and the plot, but however there are a few differences. One difference is that in the movie there is no mustard lady. A different social worker takes care of Hollis. But one thing that is similar is that Hollis and Josie are both artists, and they see that talent in each other and they appreciate it. And another thing that is different in the book and the movie is that how Hollis meets the Regans is different. It was similar in the fact that Hollis had to go on the bus to get there, but in the movie, the old man and Izzy were there as well, even though in the book it was just the old man and Stephen. The book and the movie are also similar in that Hollis has flashbacks with the Regans, and that's how her time with the Regans is told, is in the form of flashbacks. And another difference in the movie and book is that towards the end of the movie, after Hollis and Stephen are in the accident with their truck, and Hollis goes back to the shelter after she runs away, is that the social worker confronts Hollis about how she pushes everyone away and wants to keep it safe. The social worker called her a coward because she always runs away. And another difference is that in the movie, after Josie and Hollis run away, when Hollis realizes that she'll have to leave, is that Josie, she realizes that she can't take care of Hollis because she knows that she's very forgetful and it's something very serious, and that it will inhibit her from taking care of Hollis. So Josie realizes that she needs to go back home. And another thing that was different in the movie is how Hollis re-established contact with the Regans. In the movie, Hollis catches Stephen riding his bike, and he has a phone with him, and he calls Izzy and the old man, and they go to the summer house along with the social worker, and they meet Josie and get re-established with Hollis. And those are some of the differences that were in both the movie and the book, but the movie and the book are similar in the fact that it does have Hollis' struggle in trying to find her forever family and dealing with the feelings of guilt she has from what happened to Stephen.
Created using Powtoon.